Hey guys, welcome again to Honey's Kitchen. Thank you for always watching on my channel. For those who are new on my channel, welcome. Our recipe for today is Samoa Bundt cake. If you would like to know how to create this, keep on watching. For this recipe, we need 1 box of vanilla cake or white cake mix plus the ingredients on making it, 4 cups of coconut flakes, 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 cups of heavy cream, cooking spray, 1 cup of caramel divided into 2, 1 for the butter and 1 for the toppings. And for this recipe, we need a Bundt pan. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you're gonna mix your cake mix according to the instruction of the box. And also, in cooking time, you refer on the instruction of your box. Mixing your cake mixture, you pour in the half of your caramel. And then you're gonna mix it with a rubber scraper. You don't have to use your mixer in combining your caramel and your cake. And then after you mix your caramel into your batter, you're gonna grease your Bundt pan. I use a cooking spray, but you can also use a shortening or a butter. Put all your cake butter into your Bundt pan. After that, we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it according to the instruction of the box. If you have your own recipe of white cake, you can also use that instead of using a cake box mix. So now, while waiting for our cake to cook in the oven, we will now toast our coconut flakes. Over a low to medium heat, we will put our coconut flakes in a non-stick pan and keep stirring it to avoid burning one side of your coconut. Have to toast your coconut equally until it becomes like a golden brown. the coconut is equally toasted, we will put it aside in a container. Do not leave it on the pan to avoid burning your coconut. I just pulled it out from the oven, and then you need to have a cooling rack and a tray under it. And then you're gonna put the cooling rack upside down over your Bundt pan, and you just gonna flip it up. And then I heated up my heavy cream over the microwave, enough heat to melt down your chocolate. You pour in your semi-sweet chocolate chips and you mix it to make a ganache. So you have to achieve a watery ganache. You don't need to have a very thick one because your purpose is only to hold your coconut flakes. And then you slowly pour it over your Bundt cake and make sure you pour it equally. So after that, you're gonna put your toasted coconut flakes. You've noticed that I use another baking tray because I don't want the coconut flakes touching the rest of my chocolate ganache, because I want to use that for my another recipe. So if you want to do the same, because when you do this, then the coconut flakes will fall down into your chocolate. So change your trays, and so that you're not wasting the rest of your chocolate. And then you put in your coconut flakes. Make sure that you equally coated your Bundt cake with your coconut flakes. So after that, using your spatula, you're gonna slowly lift your Bundt cake and we're gonna move it to the tray. Shake off the excess coconut, and you're gonna do this slowly, move into your tray. Using a spoon, you drizzle it with the other half of your caramel. caramel over your Bundt cake, using a spoon, you also scoop from your chocolate ganache, and then you drizzle it over also your caramel. So, this is the finished product of a recipe today, the Samoa Bundt cake. For the homemade caramel, I will write the link of the video in the description below. If you didn't catch up all the list of ingredients, I will write it down in the description below. Hope you're gonna love it and try to recreate this at home. Thank you again for watching, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a good day, and I will see you again on my next video.